and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. Okay friends, so let's see how to prepare this super simple and delicious Rava Dhokla. Now here I've taken exactly half a cup of very fine Rava. Now you can also use the thick Rava or whatever Rava you have or semolina you have available at home. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or ova. Next, I'm going to add this paste which I have made of 1/2 inch of ginger and 1 light green chili. So I'm going to add that paste. Next, I'm going to be adding some salt to taste, as well as some sugar to taste. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to mix all of this very well together. I've already kept my steamer ready with water filled in because you have to do this process really fast. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of buttermilk. I'll leave a link in my description box of how to prepare homemade dahi or curd as well as how to prepare homemade buttermilk. So you can check out both the links. Now mix all of this very well and you have to get a thick consistency. It should not be a runny consistency, but it should be a thick consistency, like a idli batter or a regular dhokla batter. Now I have already brushed some oil on my on the vessel, the dish in which I'm going to make the dhokla. And now I'm just going to pour it and I'm going to put it into my steamer and I'm going to steam this for exactly 10 minutes. So set a timer on your phone or your clock and steam it for 10 minutes and then let the steamer cool down completely. So I put it into my steamer. See that your steamer is already ready. The water in the steamer should be boiling, and then cover the lid tightly and set your timer and keep it for 10 minutes. Let the steamer completely cool before you open it, and you will see that once your steamer is nice and cool and you open it, your dhokla is ready. Now if you want to check if it is ready, just take a knife and just poke it in and your knife should come out clean. If it doesn't come out clean, then just steam it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now our dhokla is ready. We're just going to give a tadka or a fodni on the top. So here I've heated about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add some fresh curry leaves. I'm going to add some cumin seeds as well as some asafotedia or hing. You can go with 1/4 teaspoon each. So you add your cumin seeds, add your hing or asafoetida and your curry leaves. Now I'll give you all the measurements as well as all the ingredients will be in the description box below. And now just pour this evenly, see that it evenly, you spread it out over the entire dhokla. And you can garnish this with some chopped up coriander and some shredded fresh coconut too. So see that the tadka or the fodni is evenly spread. Now this is an instant Rava Dhokla, so you can make it for breakfast or if anyone's hungry at any time, you can just prepare it. It gets ready in no time. So just loosen up the edges and then just cut them into squares. Now if you don't have baking soda at home, you can also use Eno. You can serve this up with some chutney and it tastes really amazing. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.